Here we take a closer look at the difference between the number 11 easy snap clamp and the standard number 11. As you can see, the wall thickness on each clamp differs slightly. The easy has a thinner wall, making it a lighter grip, whereas the standard number 11 has a thick wall for a stronger hold. Both clamps are made for 1/2-inch PVC pipe, which has an outside diameter of 0.840 inches. Next, we'll show you the difference in the ease of use. Trying the easy first, you can see that it can be attached and removed with little effort at all. Now notice we're using standard 6mm greenhouse plastic for this demonstration, and as you can see, it is very simple and easy to put on and take off. Next, we show the standard number 11. As you can see, it is a little tougher to push on. I'm trying to use the same force as with the easy, and you can see it takes a little longer to push on and to pull off. Pulling off does take more effort altogether. It also helps to start on one end of the clamp and work the pressure from one end to the other.
Double the strength of the snap clamp or the light grip. And you remove it the same way. Put your fingers on either side, pull it off, like so. 6mm plastic with a standard easy snap for 1/2-inch pipe. And then I have the bottom, which is going to hold our weight. It's on with 2 1/2-inch standard snap clamps and a grip clamp, which is more than enough gripping strength to hold how much weight our easy snap can withstand. So first we'll try 20 pounds, so these are both 10 each, and I've already done this beforehand, so I knew that it would hold at least that much. And as you can see, it puts a lot of strain on this pipe. It's not a perfect test, but as far as a constant pressure of 20 pounds, you can expect the easy light grip to hold at least that. And then I'll add, let's say, 2.5 times 2, so that's 5 more pounds. So we have 25 on it right now, and it's still holding pretty good. You can see it kind of slipping out a little bit, but as far as the power, it's still pretty strong for one clamp. Now, an ideal would be this whole line is covered in maybe 5 to 10 of these, so you would have per clamp about 25 pounds of strength there. So right now I've got the standard 1/2-inch snap clamp attached to the 6mm plastic, and I've already got 20 pounds on it. And it's holding very strong, as you can see, and so I'll just add some more weight here. We'll add 2 7.5s, making it 35 pounds total. And just like last time, I have on the bottom, I have 2 standard snap clamps with a grip clamp on top of them, and that's a very strong setup. So far, this is 35 pounds with the standard snap clamp for 1/2-inch pipe. And then so we'll add 2 2.5s, making a total of 40 pounds. And still holding very strong, putting a lot of strain on our pipe and on the plastic, but I don't see any slippage as far as the plastic slipping out from underneath the clamp. I'll take the 2.5s off and add 2 5s. So we'll be at 45 with these, 45 pounds, and still doing very well. Let's see, I don't have any bigger weights. double the strength of the easy snap clamp, maybe a little bit more. Test. We've got the standard snap clamp, half-inch pipe with the grip clamp on the top of it, which is made out of aluminum. That's to further strengthen the original snap clamp. So far we have 50 pounds on it. Had to bust out the big weights. I moved the forces in a little closer so that the pipe wouldn't break. It still might. And so I'll add some weight. So here's 20 more pounds. That's 60. And you can see the plastic is just stretching. So our plastic's not strong enough to make it, but that's 60 pounds and it's ripping. So basically that tells you grip clamp's not going to let go. Basically the rest of your house is going to break, or